here today, and today I got the Alienware Pro Gaming Keyboard, and again I got this off of Amazon. I'll drop the link below, but I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing and then attach it to my computer later, show you guys how it looks like. And the reason I got this was A, is a mechanical keyboard, and I believe it comes with the cherry switches, and also it does like 16.8 million colors supposedly, which is pretty cool. But the coolest part is actually how it feels. I mean, it's not too loud, but has a nice action. Very, I can press it and it just goes down really deep. But again, some of the features it has is you can do up to 13 zones. I'll show you guys the specs right here. There's also a dedicated volume rocker, and you got programmable keys right here, so it's great for playing games. And this also tells you what the force is. It's 45 grams actuation force, and there's a 2mm actuation distance. So I guess that's all good and everything, but I'll show you what it looks like in the box. And this is the back of the box. Very nice design by Alienware. And again, this is the Alienware Pro Gaming Keyboard, right? Again, guy off of Amazon. I think it was about $100. Not sure what the price is right now, but check the link below. But yeah, let's just do a quick unboxing. So I don't have my trusty unboxing knife with me today, but we just gotta do what we gotta do. Got that here, and you got another one here. So let's show you guys what's inside. Put that back here for you guys. And again, really nice packaging by Alienware, or should I say Dell. And we take off the plastic. And again, this keyboard is, the buttons are all black, but the keyboard itself is actually matte silver. And again, it's matching the Alienware 240Hz monitor that I did a review on in another video, which I put a link up here for you guys to check it out. But yeah, I got it to match the monitor, and it's the same color scheme, so that's pretty cool. And let's take it out. So in the box, you just basically got the keyboard. You got a quick start guide, and I guess you got the warranty information, which we don't really need right now. But the keyboard itself is pretty heavy, actually. It's pretty substantial. I think it weighs about 3-4 pounds, actually. About 3 pounds. And it comes with a braided cable, pretty sturdy. USB connector. And let me show you guys close up of it. So again, I didn't connect the computer yet. I'll show you guys when it's connected. But again, this all lights up. There's 13 zones. You got your programmable keys here. Really nice action, and what I like is how everything's pretty well constructed. Feels really sturdy. This is the volume roller. Got Alienware logo right here, pretty nice. Show you guys the back right here. And what's really cool is, one thing I like about this is you can actually set it 3 different styles in terms of the angle adjustment. So you can do flat, right, which I usually don't like, but you got the hinges back here, so you can do just a little angle or a bigger angle. So that's pretty cool of Alienware to include two additional settings. Most keyboards only have one, from my experience. And you also got some rubber feet down here to prevent it from sliding. So again, I think for $100, this is a pretty good deal. I'll connect it to my computer, and I'll show you guys how it looks like in a few minutes. Hey guys, so I got the Alienware Pro Gaming Keyboard set up, and as you can see, it has a nice lighting and everything, and it matches the Alienware 240Hz 25-inch monitor that I did a video for earlier. And again, to me, it feels pretty good. The keys, I'm gonna play around with it more, play some Overwatch. But yeah, so far so cool. It's pretty cool and everything. I haven't really messed with the programmable keys, and I haven't messed with the lighting. But you know, I got my mouse here. I might actually you know, try to match the color scheme with my mouse here. You know, make it more match the style. But right now, I just want to play Overwatch and see how this keyboard performs. But thanks guys for checking out my video, and make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll check you guys in the next video.